The evening bell falls through the realm of memories. The old schoolyard casts shadows of rows of trees. There is someone waiting by the small gate, but someone doesn't know to turn back. Alton Nguyen invites you to enjoy the song. I wait after the school bell. I often wait after school, holding a book tilted to my chest. The June sun shines golden on my hair. The wind carelessly makes my dress flutter. I walk slowly as if I've never seen you, even though in my heart I only want to stand beside you. Afraid my friends will see the secret I'm hiding, so I pretend to disappear down the road familiar. You waited for me after the school bell rang, under the trees full of falling purple flowers. You waited for a truly sincere declaration of love, but I remained silent for so long. You didn't know that in the small letter your name filled my entire youth, just because I didn't give it to you in person. So we became strangers. The day was about to end, and it suddenly started raining. You shared a thin coat over your head, asking me if I would ever visit the old street again. I smiled but didn't dare look for long. I wanted to give you that letter, but the bus was rushing past. My hand just touched the envelope in my pocket. Then I let go, as if I had lost all courage. You waited for me after the school bell rang, under the trees after the rain. You waited for a word I hadn't said, until the bus disappeared from the old street. You didn't know that in the small letter I promised to return next season, just because I carried silence. So the words of love became a scar pain. Now I hear my own voice in the old tape. I finally see clearly that afternoon from years ago. It wasn't that you were waiting by chance, but that you were waiting for me to say hello. There are moments when just a little more courage would change the path of two people's lives. But youth often believe there are many more opportunities, until one day we realize how far away it is. The old bell rings for a long time and fades away. The crepe myrtle flowers are still purple in the schoolyard. In the tape, you are still waiting for me. But in real life, where are you now?